All right, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be revisiting Marky AI today. I want to do a login. I haven't used it in a month or two. There's a lot of great tools out there. This is one of my top tools that I had purchased on Appsumo this year, the simplicity of it and so forth. I really like the user interface and the scheduling features. So we're gonna go take a look at it, look at some of the things that they might have added. Looks like they've added GPT 4.0. And their big thing is that you can schedule 30 days of content in less than 5 minutes. I like to go and check out traffic. Looks like they're doing really well, over 100,000 visitors going to their site per month. I like to look at that just to see, because if a brand is trying to take off and get funded and get customers and actually be successful, if they're not getting any traffic to their site, then they're not doing the right things to grow it organically, to grow it with paid ads or whatever they're doing to get customer acquisition. They're just not doing it. Markey seems to be growing, so that's always good to see. Logged into one of the last emails that I got from them, or at least one of their last updates. They're always adding new themes, and this one was called Refine, Beautiful, and Simple. So they add different themes that we can go out and test out. I obviously probably wouldn't use this for my LearnWire brand, but they're always coming out with new themes and improving the software. So I'm going to go ahead and go log in real quick. All right, so we're logged in, and I have a couple different brands. We have our Boutique Printables brand over here. I do have Keto Crush over here. I don't know when I added that. We have our Six Figure Freedom Club brand over here, which I need to change that because it's been rebranded. And then we also have our LearnWire. So we actually have 4 brands added over here. There's a lot of different things you can do with your library. You can go and add a bunch of images over here. It's going to create, like right over here, we've added a ton of images for one of our brands, our coloring page brand over here. You can go and look at our themes right here. Looks like you can actually submit a request for a theme, and maybe they'll go and make that one next. Look at all these different themes that we have over here as well. And here's our themes. You can actually, there's that Refine, that new one. They have Wilderness. I like that one, so I'm going to select that one. They've added a bunch. Let's go with Bubbles, and we'll add that one. So that one was already balanced. Let's add Balance. Why not? We'll add that one. Already there. And Spooky for Halloween. Maybe when that rolls around this next year, we'll do that one as well. And why not? Let's go ahead and select memes again. I found a time when we had memes selected, it would tend to do a lot of memes and too many, but I'm going to go ahead and turn those back on. We're going to go create some content real quick. Here's webinar. Let's just do that one as well. Let's just get as many as we can. This one is literally my LearnWire colors, green and yellow. Let's go ahead and grab that one as well. And then we'll push save. So we've updated our themes. This is really, really easy, straightforward to use. Never taken a tutorial on how to use this tool. Okay, so we have our publishing schedule at 9, 1, and 5, so 3 times a day, varying by 10 minutes. We have our Pinterest account connected. You can fine tune all this stuff. And then we're gonna just go over to our posts section and generate posts. So this is just the best part about using this tool. All you have to do is just push one button and Markey does all the work for you. It's a little different than your other tools that you typically go and actually have to create the image yourself or do a bunch of editing and stuff. Markey was designed to be different than that, to be completely hands-off and to make brandable type social media assets that you can go and share all across your social media accounts, right? And so it is creating for us right now. And you can see we've published 100 over here. We're generating right now. And you can see there'll be draft scheduled and then there'll be trash right there. Now you can come up here to this button over here and go to custom post. So we do have this new version of the app available to access the latest features. So we need to refresh this because I haven't logged in a couple of months because I have so many tools. I've been using them. I use Follower, I use Markey, but I do want to make this video for you guys because if you made it this far, Markey is available on Appsumo right now. They're coming back just for a very small, short time. This is a top recommended tool for you. And I'm making this particular video before it actually comes out. So I don't know what the exact pricing is, but remember it's December 26th. This video is hitting. Markey is available back on Appsumo. And like I said, right now I'm actually recording this video and Markey is sold out. It's not available when I'm recording this video, but it is available on December 26th, which is when this video is dropping. You want to go and pick this one up. It's a top recommended tool out of all the tools that I reviewed and that I purchased. in 2024, this is definitely a top 5 tool, Markey. So I definitely would recommend going and picking this one up. I'm gonna go do some more demo for you right now, but you can see that it has really good reviews, 220 reviews, and it looks like it has a 4.5 rating out of 222 reviews. So people are loving this tool. So will be below. Go pick this one up. It's only going to be here for like, I think 4 or 5 days, and then it goes away. It might be from the 26th to the 31st. So January 1st, I think it's gone. So this is your chance, a few days to go pick up Markey. Okay. So let's go and look at some more. So we have all these like embrace, balance, and creativity, discover the joy of balancing creativity. So these are on point with our brand. And all we have to do is push the schedule button, and it's going to schedule them. It's going to move them into the schedule over here. We can go over there right now. We won't lose our spot. We can come back over to generated, all these posts that are generated, super cool. We can go back to scheduled, and it'll tell you exactly which one's scheduled next. It's scheduled for today, actually, at time of recording this, and at 5 p.m. So that will go out. For this brand, we only have 3 going out per day. So we'll go in here and notice right here that we have one scheduled, and we're scheduling on December 20th. So if I go in here and start scheduling a bunch of these, all we have to do is just push buttons. Look, literally just push buttons. The AI created all these graphics that would actually take time to go into Canva or something like that to actually create graphics like this. And that's what I like about this tool. The only thing that I wish that they would do, and I have reached out to them, and they said that there just wasn't enough demand for it, because there's probably not a lot of people that are using it specifically like I am just for Pinterest. But I wish that we could go in there and have a default, or turn off everything and only have Pinterest on, and then it would automatically create Pinterest size pins. The only way that you can do that is by coming over here and clicking the edit post button right over here. And then, where is it? So once you click on the edit post, then you click the edit design button, and it's going to pop out into the editor. And then you're going to go over here to size, and you're going to go to Pinterest post, and it's going to now resize this. And if you wanted to, make things bigger, you could make the logo bigger. You could, and especially if you have a VA, then they can go in here and you can train them to make sure all the images look really good, and then just save and close. So now you have the Pinterest size that you're looking for. It only takes a couple seconds. I mean, still, it's very valuable to even be able to just, with a few clicks of a button, you can come in here, make these changes, and then just push schedule. It's going to go out there and schedule the post for us in that format, right? So now you can come in there and you can see that it's going to be specifically be a different size for us. It's going to post as a Pinterest in size. But when you're going in and you just want to maintain and keep getting your content out there, you just don't even have that extra 15 seconds per image. You're just going to go in there and you're going to push a schedule, right? When you have memes, the look on creators' faces when they see ideas flow effortlessly, right? So we're going to go. You can also do this drop down right here. You can publish it now if you want to. You can schedule it next, or custom time. Generally speaking, you're just going to push the schedule button because it's going to maintain, and it has these really cool ones like this as well. Now we've just scheduled in the matter of, I'm training and teaching you how to do this, and we scheduled 15 posts in a matter of minutes. Now let's see how fast we can go with just creating some more pins for this brand right now. And so if we're doing 3 per day, that's already that we were able to schedule in a matter of just minutes, right? And so that's the power of Markey. It's definitely my favorite when it comes to scheduling and just clicking a button. Just a couple of things. I wish that we could control the default Pinterest size for Pinterest on the images. And then another thing that I wish that we could do is that the auto scheduler, from what I understand, at least the last time I reached out to them, which was just a couple months ago, was that you can only have 10 times available. You can only schedule out 10 posts per day on a social media account using the scheduler. You can use unlimited if you schedule them by themselves, but using the auto scheduler feature, which is, over here, you go into business and then you go into your, I think it's socials. So this part right here, you can only add 10 times right here. You can't add 20 or 30. And that was one of the only things that I wish that they would change, but it's probably on purpose. They want to really protect everybody's accounts. and they feel that 10 is plenty for most people. So now you just come over here and we can just go over here and push the schedule button right over here. You can see that it's using some of my images, like the coloring pages that we've created on our site, and it's using those to create images as well. So we can go over here and just schedule these. We just scheduled a bunch more just like this. Look at all the coloring pages that it's creating for us. Those are all part of the site. It's an e-commerce, digital e-commerce site. And we're able to just go and schedule all these. Now look at that schedule up here, 33, then it goes to 34, and then 35. So we just scheduled 35 posts in a matter of 5 minutes. Very, very cool. And then you could just manage multiple brands, because now you can come over here, you can go into your next brand over here, you can generate posts real quick. So you can actually manage multiple brands, and they're literally not kidding. You can spend 5-10 minutes and literally, especially if you only have one post going out per day, you can literally come in here and in less than 10 minutes schedule for an entire month. Just super, super cool. So it's creating right there. So let's look at what Markey Reviews AI says. Customers are all about Markey, praising its efficient content generation, time-saving capabilities, and user-friendly interface. I would 1000% agree with that. It's one of the best UIs, very easy to use, one click and just automatically schedules. I love the auto scheduler, the user interface, and then the one, just very, very easy and efficient. It literally is a top 5 favorite tool of 2024. Very, very much worth picking up and keeping. And I have confidence that Markey AI is going to stick around for years to come, that it's going to be one of those true tools that stays with us for a very long time. And so people are really, really liking that. Come back over here. So we have our join our empowering journey right over here. So we do need to change this because my brand changed, but it's okay. We can still go out there. These are going to all schedule a picture of myself. I got all kinds of good stuff over here. So we're just going to go out here and schedule all of these. Now, if you have the extra time, I would recommend making them into Pinterest size posts. Maybe spend just a couple minutes on each image to see if you can get it to be a little bit better, to get more interest. So you can eventually, we're really just trying to get clicks, right? We're trying to get more clicks to our site. So now what I would do, I'm just showing you how I would use this, is I would come over here, check on what my scheduling is over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 going out each day. So we just scheduled for the next 3 days. I need to come back, and I lost my social connection right over here with that one. So I'll have to come back to that one. Now what we're going to do is we'll go over here to LearnWire. Let's do one more, and we'll go and check on business. And so look how easy it is for you to manage all of your social media accounts in here. It's just super, super cool. Now I'm only using it for Pinterest because I'm trying to get traffic to my websites. I'm not using it for others, but you can go and set up all of your different socials. Instagram, Facebook, X, you got LinkedIn, you got TikTok, and I believe TikTok now that you can publish videos from here as well. That's another feature that they added in the last few months. So I'm going to go over here back to posts, and we'll go and see what they created. Unlock free software insights. So you can scroll down and just look and see what it's created for us. Empower your software choices. So we have a bunch of these going out right here. Now, if you wanted to go, remember, if you want to go and change the templates that it's using, I believe that's over here in branding, maybe. This is where you control your text and font that it's using. And then you can come down here, and so I'm gonna come back over here to posts, and then we're gonna go and just start scheduling. So just go schedule, schedule, schedule. How many do we have going out each day on this account? I think it's 10. So this is how easy it is to just schedule all of your posts very quickly. And it should be, if you set everything up in the branding section, it should be very on point as far as like the branding, the tone, the message, all that. You can see that I've scheduled 369 out of here. We have 15 that we just posted just like that. I'm coming back over here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then see how we don't have the add button. Cannot add anymore. We have 10, and it doesn't have a plus button anymore. So 10 is the amount that you can schedule for, but you do get to control the times and everything. So I'm gonna come back over here, and it's working in the background. It does create some pretty cool stuff. Remember, all you have to do is just click on this and go into edit design, and then go into size, and then make it a Pinterest post, and then go and push save and close. It literally takes 5 seconds. I don't know why I don't do this for every one of them, but sometimes I just really want to just go push the button and have it scheduled so we have more traffic going to our sites. Okay, so then we push schedule and then that one's done, moves over to the scheduler. But I'm gonna go and just schedule these again right now. So this is how easy it is to get memes and graphics and branding for your brand to go out there and send. And imagine you could be sending these all to, if you have all of your social media accounts set up, you could be sending all of these to Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest all at once from the click of a button. So pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. That's how easy it is to use this tool. Again, you can go over here to custom link design, upload an image or generate right here. So I'll click there. You can actually go in here and follow this template right over here if you want, or you can go with a blank design and you can actually, from in here, they actually have some pretty cool stuff. You can drag and drop an image in here. And you could go in here and actually design your own if you wanted to. You can add text, you can add elements, to a page, change the color, change it to your brand, go into text and add some text right here, and then change that font maybe to your brand's color or your brand's font. And then also you could go and change the font color, make it pop, make that bigger. And you can go in here and actually make your own right inside of the tool. So if you have a VA, you can actually tell them they can only use this tool, right? And so they don't leave this tool. They don't need Canva. They don't need anything. They can just create some pretty good designs in here. It would be cool if they added like templates in here that we could actually use templates. I don't see templates, but that would be pretty cool. And then you can go and save and close. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that. But again, then they could go and schedule that as well. So again, now we're creating posts again. It just goes out and creates these posts. Super, super cool. So highly recommend it. Link below. This is only available from December 26th through, I believe, December 31st. Go pick up Markey while it is back available on Appsumo. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next video.